Hey friends, welcome to this unboxing. I'm checking out this 4-piece luggage. This is a hard shell. Okay, that's it for there. So these all have a nice little handle on here. This is a rubber handle, and that just pulls up like that and then goes back in place. Good cushion on that. These feature little locks here as well, so if we want to lock this too, and then you can put your little tags right in there and then release them or whatever if you want to. Okay, this also features a nice rubber handle here on top as well, and then these obviously just looks like this one just goes up that high. Okay, it's plenty high though, it's as big as this one is, and then if you want to just collapse it back in there, that's nice. Okay, let's open this thing up and see. There we are. Okay, so this features kind of a, I can't even tell what this is made out of. Some kind of a plastic there. Seems fairly sturdy, and has this space here and a little pocket there as well. Okay, so not a lot of. Basically, it's broken down into two sides here. So that, and then it has these little things here you can clasp together. So there's that one. And we'll put that back together. Okay. So that rolls actually pretty nicely. And I'll get the other one out. Okay, similarly, this one features, these are all going to be, I think, basically the same. They will have these little things there if you want to put them, lay them down on their side. Okay, so exactly the same features. Our little lock there, handle on this side with a nice rubber grip, and also on this side. So just set down on the side there, and you can unscrew that, loosen that up. Same features, the one side over here that can be zipped up, just like that, and then we have the pocket here, and then a little clip here that can go together. Just like that. Okay. There's another one. And here we go. We have our third one here. Similar, all similar. These ones this one goes up a little higher because it's shorter. So I think this one is also, it goes up a little higher as well. Pretty much, I think they're all going to go up to the same height there, and then just to collapse it. But okay, it only locks in at that one height there, though. You can lock it in a little bit shorter if you have a little kids doing it. So that's nice. And then, of course, you can unzip it. It seems to have a nice little, like a rubber around here as well. This rubber strip around there. Kind of protect your zipper maybe. Okay, once again, this inner sealable pocket right here with a little mesh bag there for other items, and then this little thing to keep your clothes all nice and neat. And then of course the lock and the handles and the little extra handle there. Okay. And least but not last, this little guy right here, pretty handy. Handle goes up about that high. And let's see if there's any other goodies in here right now. And that's it, my friends. This is already sealed up. Just wonder if there's anything special in there. That's it. But a nice little size here too, though. Zip that up. So these appear to be fairly durable here. Let's see, these kind of go together a little bit, and you can lock those in place. But all in all, seems to be fairly rugged. All the wheels roll nicely. And yeah, so there they are right there. Get these all the way up and to show you all those in a line there. They all go about the same height. And there we have it, my friends. So nice little luggage set here. Like, you can put them all together if you want to store them in your attic or something like that, so they can all fit in together nicely. And then if you want to use them, you got like your carry-on size, maybe these two, and then your regular luggage there. So nice little set here. My friends, thanks so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.